Okay, the instructions are pretty straightforward on the Terraform website. It's called from over here. So it's install Terraform, and you can pick your environment, whichever it is, and then you can install. So if you can see, I have Terraform here. So basic commands in it is when we initially have the Terraform files, it requires to initialize, and after that we can do a plan, which means it will show the changes that are going in the configuration, and finally it's apply, which will update the infrastructure created if it's not already there. And the destroy is basically whatever we've created, it can clean it up. So I have a basic file, and this also I grabbed from the same website, HashiCorp. And but basically what it's doing is, in the first section is we talk about the providers. So provider in this is the HashiCorp. This is the version of the HashiCorp and AWS, because I'm creating a resource in AWS, and a region is where I'm creating. So if I go to my account, and I this is my region, US East 1, so that's why I have it. And then I want to create a EC2 instance, so that's an AWS instance. This can be anything. I am calling it app server, and this value is basically the Linux AMI ID that I got it from my Amazon AWS account. And I want to create a T2 micro, and the tags, a lot of organizations have different tags. So for now I am not using any tags, so I just gave anything. So this is what is my main.tf, and I don't have any other file. I made a folder. So let me go to the folder. Where is my let me make directory. Yeah, I have a Terraform folder, right? And then I have, so I only one file. Where is my file? Maybe move main.tf to dot, right? So I have only this file, and I will do Terraform init. Let me do that. So it will initialize, and what it does, it will talk to the HashiCorp outside, and it will initialize, and it will down, and it does the back and forth communication with HashiCorp. It has been initialized. So now if I say Terraform plan, let me see what it will do. It's going to show me whatever changes I want to do. So if I go back up, so it's exactly telling me that it's going to create an EC2 instance, and it has the name of the AMI. All the other things it will do after the EC2 instance is going to be created. And then I will say, so I don't want to save the plan, but I can do it. But anyway, I'm going to just, so when I do apply, whatever was in the plan, it's going to accept it. So it is telling me it will perform whatever it told me above, it will perform that. So if I do yes, it is going to actually start creating it. So now the issue will start coming is because invalid AMI format. Okay, so this does not exist. So I will go and fix this, and then I'll come back, and then I'll create it. So I am going to do a Terraform apply. So it's going to create my instance. So what I did to fix was that I had the wrong region. I'll just show you. So in my video, if you can see, I was by fault, by mistake, it was US-West one, but actually I am on the, if you see my instance is, I am in the US East one. So that's why I fixed it. And then I am now doing the, so now it has completed. That means that EC2 exists now. So if I go to my console, and if I look at my EC2 dashboard, so I should have a new EC2 instance example, as you can see, and it is running. So this is the T2, the one I just created. If you can see, it has this example app, because that was the tag I gave, and this is it is still initializing, but it's up and running. So if I click on this one, and then if I do connect, I will be able to connect. So I have to give a key pair, but that's a regular thing that we do. But basically, so simple file. We started with a simple main file with Terraform, with providers and version, which is AWS. So this is the one I fixed. It was West. I made it East and it worked. And then I had to go and pick the right AMI. So how I did was that I went into the EC2 dashboard, and over here, if I do launch instance, I will get all my machine AMIs. If you see this application machine images. So I just went and quick start. I just picked this one because this is the verified 64-bit Amazon Linux AMI. So basically, you need the right AMI ID. That's what I did. And now, so if you see, my instance is created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Terraform destroy. And if you see in my folder, there are these files, which is the Terraform state file. And there is so this file has the state. So it has all the information about, see, the subnet and the name of the instance. So this is what I was talking about earlier. So this has all the information. Oh God. It's all the information about my EC2 instance and all the details about, the full ARN, the account information. So that is a key piece. Now, if I go and do a Terraform destroy, so it is going to delete that instance. So at some point, after some point, see, it's refreshing. At some points, I will go back and my instance will, this should not be there after the destroy has been completed. So you want to destroy? I said, yeah, I'll say yes. And it's going to destroy. So let me go back. It probably will take a few minutes. It's still destroying. If I refresh it, yeah, it's gone, right? So I don't want to hold the video, but basically that's what it does. So what we did today was we created a simple AC2 instance using Terraform. We just had one file, main.tf, but as it grows and we start creating bigger and bigger resources and clusters, though the modules will get added, the variables get added, because right now we are just hard coded everything. But if we pass as a variable, then we need the variable file. So see, the destruct is, it's complete, and my instance is deleted.